So this is what squirrels did to my plastic bird feeder. Check that out, just totally destroyed it. They'll find a way to get in there somehow. I mean, these guys got right up there on that hook attached to the side of the house there. They jumped from that railing there, at least 3.5 feet up in the air, clawing up the side of the building. And they're lifting up the lid, but mostly they just annihilated that plastic. And they chewed through the polycord right here. So they almost had taken it down that way. So if you're getting a bird feeder, get it made out of all metal design and find a way to hang it where they cannot. I mean, look at that. Just gnawing on that plastic there, man.